Hi everyone, welcome to Paper Wishes Scrapbooking 101. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm going to show you the basics of scrapbooking. So let's get started. This is a 12 by 12 scrapbook page, and it's got a matted photo and some layers of paper. Got some ribbon, some little flowers. We call these embellishments. There's some little shiny glass beads here, and it's even got some foam tape under this little circle, and I'm going to tell you more about that later. So there's some basic steps for putting together a scrapbook page, and I'm going to take you through these one by one, but first we need some scrapbooking tools. So a pair of scissors is a must. Want a good quality pair of scissors. Large scissors is just what we need for cutting around mats and things like that, but a small pair of scissors for cutting details and ribbon is a nice thing to have. It's not something that you absolutely have to get started. Also, a paper trimmer is really nice to have. Okay, other than a pair of scissors, you don't need anything else, but once again, nice to have, especially if you're going to put together an entire album. Even for beginners, it helps speed up the process, and it's a great investment for all kinds of paper crafting, card making. It's great. So let's talk about adhesives. Adhesives and glue to put your scrapbook page together. We've got glue stick. This one is marked acid-free. Acid-free is really, really important. We want to make sure that it's acid-free because the adhesive that touch the photos, we want to make sure it's photo safe to preserve them, and we don't want to yellow or diminish them. We've also got tape runners, which are also acid-free, and I'll show you how to use that soon. We've also got foam tape, which is great for adding those little bits of dimension and 3D bits to our pages. Also nice to have, not necessary. This one are just little tiny squares of foam tape with some backing on them, but we also have a giant wheel of foam tape, which would last you a very long time, but wanted you to be aware of that as well.